Okay guys, so as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be attempting to renew this old wig from iDefine. This wig is probably about 5 months old, I think. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, along with a few hairstyles, just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this. I haven't washed it since before I straightened it, and that was the only time that I washed it, so washing it should honestly bring it back to life. I'm gonna use a old toothbrush and like go around the edges right here where it would be laid down, and just take off all of like the excess got to be glued and whatever, so it just looks brand spanking new. I'm gonna be right back. Tell her nothing. So I'm gonna try and dry out the lace just a little bit on the inside. So let me show you real quick that I cleaned out the lace like right here, and there's not any glue, leftover glue or anything, so it's pretty much looking like a brand new wig. It smells good, like curls are good, curls are popping. I can't wait to put her on. So I'm definitely gonna have to fix up this part of my wig cap right here. Just gonna have to cut it off just a little bit. Let me show you. Right here where I can't really cover it. See what I'm talking about? Yeah. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing one of the many wigs on the iDefine Wigs.com website, save yourself some money and use my code. It's SC20, and with that code you get 20% off. And I would combine that with whatever sale that they have going on right now, because they always have a sale going on iDefine.com, y'all. So make sure y'all definitely use that code and save yourself some coins, okay? I think that's good. What do y'all think? Yeah, I think so. So I'm just going to be using some mousse to lay all of the little fine hairs all the way back, as far back as possible, just so I don't get that trapped in the got to be glued, which is super easy to do. So one thing that I did forget to do, and you guys have to remember, I'm not a professional. I just like to lay down my own wigs at my house, and I don't really have much training on it. So yeah, but I forgot to put some foundation on my wig cap to actually make it look more natural. So it's kind of obvious that it's wig right now, which I hate, but that's all right. For the first style, I'm just going to be doing 2 little French braids on both sides. For the second style, I'm just going to be taking down those French braids and like leaving them halfway done. And I'm just going to turn these little ponytails into little buns. So I don't know if I mentioned or not, but I do have a code for the iDefine website. If you want to get 20% off of your order, you can use my code. It's SC20 to get you 20% off. And y'all, 20% is a lot, so you should use it. Like, you should use it. So for this style, I am completely taking down the braids, and I'm just going to be making two little, like, I don't know, skinny buns, space buns. I have no idea what to call these, but they're so cute to me. So next, I'm just going to be doing one high ponytail in the front, and I'm just going to be grabbing some mousse for the ends. So the last style, but definitely my favorite, is I'm gonna be adding a little bang to this to this wig, and I'm just gonna put my hair right here into a little ponytail, and I'm gonna grab the bangs, twirl them around my finger, and pop them up with a bobby pin where I want the bangs to be, and then I'm gonna use some mousse. Also, guys, right after watching this video, I have another video where I actually cut and style this wig to add some bangs because I loved this look so much that I was like, ooh, you know what would be cute if I added some real bangs. So I did. So make sure you stop on by and watch that video. I'll probably link it right up here. So guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Check the description box down below for the iDefine Wigs website, as well as all of my social medias. Don't forget, if you want to buy a wig from iDefine, like there's so many, straight, curly, like everything, to use my code for 20% off, it's SC20. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This one was it for me. I like this one, girl. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot, I like this one now. Real cute.